As of today, CUBOT starts with a super short-term promotion sale of KingKong 5 Pro at the price of only $129.99. The CUBOT KingKong 5 Pro is the latest smartphone in the special well-known bestseller KingKong series from the CUBOT. This smartphone is packed with advanced specs and features which give you the best performance in harsh and extreme environments. The smartphone comes with a massive 8000 mAh battery, which gives you almost 550 hours of standby time, at least for up to 4 days of one single charge of normal usage. Designed for the high endurance and performance, the smartphone comes with the IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810G certification, which makes it waterproof, dust sandproof and drop-proof. The smartphone is water resistant for up to 1.5 meters for a maximum period of 30 minutes. This means you can easily carry this smartphone on your outdoor treks and adventures. And it also comes with the latest stock Android 11 on it, with its beautiful rugged back design, complemented with the stylish black and orange colors. This smartphone feels like a beautiful beast in your palm. The CUBOT KingKong 5 Pro is priced at $239.99 on AliExpress, but on this occasion the smartphone will be available at this discounted price of only $129.99. There is a discount code of $10 from the store, and it will run from 29th March to 2nd of April only on AliExpress. This chance is really not to be missed. And if you are looking for a new tough smartphone, then this is the offer for you. CUBOT official sales links are below this video. Visit them, take a look on their offer and hurry up. Does it not last long? An opportunity to buy which is not to be missed. That will be all for today. Bye.